Hey guys, if you guys are a business owner or work in human resources, this employee attendance tracker is perfect for you guys. So I'm going to show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel, and we're in Google Sheets now. And so here we go. All right, so first on the left side, you want to put in the names of your employees. It currently holds about 30 employees. So we'll just put in the name of your staff member, and then we'll put in the start date of whenever you're going to start this. So say we're going to start for the month of March on the 3rd, and then it will automatically put in the dates for you for that month. And then we're going to track John Doe's attendance. So if we choose the drop down box, it's giving all the different options. If he's been there, if he's absent, if he's late, if he's sick, on vacation, or on holiday. So you just choose the option there. You can also go into the next day, say he's present, then he's absent, or say he's on vacation. If we scroll to the right, we'll be able to see his absences, how often he was at work, if he was on vacation a couple days. So you can see as we put in holiday, it's going to add that up for you. And then if you wanted to, easily say, hey, he's on vacation for this week, you could just click on the cell, and then the little blue dot, you can just drag it to the right and it'll quickly fill that in. So if you have more than 30 employees and you wanted to add more employees to this sheet, we want to scroll down to the bottom and we want to hit add more rows. So if you want to add 20 more rows, you just hit add, and then it adds everything, but it doesn't bring in all of the other boxes. So we want to go up to the row 37 where everything is already filled in, highlight that whole row, and then there's a little blue dot, and then we're just going to drag it down. So we can see here, let's just do an example. So say we have Jane Doe, and then we're going to choose that she was present, scroll to the right, and then it is going to show that she was present. So it adds up for you. So that's how that works. If you have any more questions, let me know. This is available at savvyandthriving.com.